I saw a video just recently on a guy trying to remove a pin detent from a Dewalt, and I was trying to remove my pin detent on a Milwaukee, because if you have a Milwaukee 28650, the pin detent version, well, you'll notice that your socket will not come off without you having something small enough to push the pin in and take your socket out. So this will be a video on pretty much the size that you need, because all of these people, they've been doing this pin detent removal, but they don't never show you the punch that was used. So I took the liberty of actually searching it, measuring it, and finally found the size perfect enough to fit this pin detent, to get the pin out, to get that solid pin out. And here's a solid pin. Okay, took the pin out. Alright, so this is the size that you're going to need. It's a 5/64. This just happens to be by Tecton, but you don't have to get this one. You could always get any other 5/64. Just make sure it's strong, because if it's weak, it's going to just snap, and you don't want that, because then it snaps in there, and then it's a mess. So just wanted to show you guys the pin and the spring. Some of these guys on YouTube, they don't even show you the pin, the spring, or anything. Before I drop that, just leave it there. This is a modified pin. It does not come like this stock, so yours might look a little different. So that's pretty much it. That's all I got for you guys. And if you guys would like the measurements of the pin to see if another pin fits this Milwaukee, maybe the Ryobi one fits, maybe the Dewalt fits, I'm not sure. But I do have some measurements. So if you want these measurements, I do have them. I'm going to put them after this if you guys are interested in the measurements. And if you guys need any help, message me.